the dollar yesterday, nice little push. That would make another little run here for this trend line before it weakened, and it weakened a little bit early. So I'm not still expecting an inverse head and shoulders here, but it's digesting. This much we know. So this is the trend line, looking for that to tag and see if we can get above. If we can get above, we're heading to 103. Right now, though, we're just digesting. The dollar down is also helping Bitcoin. I'll show you that in a little bit. Here's your T-bond futures. It can be TLT. We know that it's still underneath 109. For TLT in this 132 area. For ZB, needs to get and stay above there. It's been a really choppy trade because there just is a lot of risk in holding treasuries and bonds right now with a debt ceiling, which I've written about and Craig has dissected. So I have summarized and he has really dug in. So if you're looking for a lot of detail in that department, hit up his channel. Gold is still digesting sideways as the dollar yen has a big meeting. Not the dollar yen. BOJ has a big meeting and they're going to have an announcement tomorrow night. So Friday would be expecting some type of market move in Japanese equities and in the yen. So that's something that I don't think a lot of folks are focused on. And I don't have an edge. It's kind of like an earnings. They're going to announce it and it'll be just the way it is. But for right now, I am, as you know, worried that we have got more volatility coming, not less. And this is one of the macro event risks coming down the pike. Diamonds are the first to go. Look how weak they are. See the trend line tag? Got up, petered out, doji, rollover. This is the weakest. 333, let's call it 3-3. We're heading right back down here. And there's a gap fill. Ooh, it's not really a gap fill. Never mind. It already filled, but it is a support level. Yep. Yep. I like this. No energy. If it could get back above this high of the candle, which is 336.5, maybe, but it looks extremely weak. Look how weak diamonds look right now. Looks like it's going to come right back down to this 333 area, 333 area, 333 area. Looks very, very weak. XLP is the only one that's still hanging in there, but for how bloody long when diamonds are absolutely rolling over, bingo. No, 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 we're going to get volatility again. We have to have sector rotation, period. And the Qs holding Microsoft, trying to hold up the entire market is like Sisyphus, right? With that big boulder on his shoulder. Dow is the danger point right now. As I mentioned, this is weak sauce, but it doesn't look very scary until it comes back down and breaks below this 332 area. Until then, we just probably tag and then have a little bounce and then break and then have a little bounce and then go down. But this is definitely resistance. And this is definitely an evening star reversal on the weekly, which we have a lot of, by the way. That is support. If we're going to get some, should come in right about now. I would say 332.86 is strong support for the diamonds. We have come right into that kind of first level of support. Beautiful evening star reversal, by the way, which is a trend reversal. Here we are, diamond's little hit exactly, right? So here is 333.57, close enough. 333.56 on the daily. I'm really looking for 332.86.